Hey guys, so tonight Elon jumped onto a space on X called the Year Ahead 2026 and he spoke for a few minutes, so let's hear what he said.
Yo, Elon, what's up, man? Long time no see.
Hello, other me.
Hi, other me. That's a good one. Yeah. So I've seen I've seen your year has been quite the adventure.
There's been a lot. Yeah, it's been quite a year. I think 2026 is going to be a real banger year.
Indeed, indeed. I think it's going to
Like,
be lots of like narrative engineering, personally, like because the midterms are coming up, and it's always a major thing right about that period. Anything that's like political, you got tons of like competition. So there's lots of narrative engineering. Should be really entertaining. I'm gonna stay away from it largely because I don't deal with that as much. Uh, Also because I got a ton of work now. Yeah.
what's your work?
Sorry, come again?
What work?
Oh, manufacturing stuff.
Okay,
It's
cool. What
it's
do you What do you
it's
make?
it's sort of like done. I kind of don't want to talk about it. It's not entirely relevant. It's just it's kind of like a luxury product type thing. It's not that high up. It's quite simple. I just don't want to talk about it too much because I don't want to like bring attention to those people like out of yeah, I don't want any harm to come to them type of deal. You know what I mean? So like I just don't talk about that as much.
Okay.
Doing some
Um,
automation stuff now. It's pretty fun.
well, Tesla should. We should have widespread robotaxi. That'll be a big thing for Tesla in 26. Optimus 3 will launch, and then hopefully SpaceX will achieve full reusability with Starship. Those are the It's a pretty giant ones.
I assume the first major shipments with Starship are just going to be like Starlink satellites, right?
Yeah. Yep.
And I think like the
And then we're gonna go to
space.
the moon.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. The space computer thing is like a really good accelerant, I think. So you become like like SpaceX becomes the major delivery company of choice then, right?
Yeah.
Biggest, most reliable rocket. I gotta ask, have you ever thought of like what it's like to manufacture things on the moon? Because you can make different types of materials that you can't make on Earth, in like low gravity types of environments.
Well, I think the biggest opportunity on the moon is to is to actually make solar cells and and radiators so that and then so you're manufacturing on the moon anything that weighs a lot. Chips maybe still come from Earth, but they weigh very little. And then you can use a mass driver to put 1 billion tons of AI powered satellites into orbit per year.
Mass driver basically being like a kind of rail gun. I just like
Yeah.
rail guns. Sounds cleaner.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like if you were on Dyson Spheres before, pivot to this.
Well, this will create a Dyson swarm, or essentially a bunch of satellites, intelligent satellites around the sun.
Nice.
Elon, do you imagine we still need like gravity, even lower Earth moon gravity for manufacturing? Could this be just done in orbit?
You need mass. Mass must
Ah,
come from somewhere.
that's right. Yes, the resources.
You need a lot of tonnage.
Will there be a lot of boring going on on the moon, you reckon? Or like would it just be surface structures? I'd say like going underground would make more sense. They have like big lava caves down there. Could be quite neat.
Sure. We'll figure it out. Most important thing is to get serious tonnage to the moon in order to send even way more serious tonnage from the moon. But
Yeah,
you could scale to 100 terawatts of AI compute per year from the moon.
indeed, indeed. Have you ever like considered anything about
Big
magnet
boy numbers.
shields? Have you considered anything about like magnet shields by any chance? Because I've been looking into that a little bit. Because for certain environments, you'd want to like shield it against like the solar wind, basically. And so there's like you could make superconducting magnets, and that would like shield against even like small objects as well, like high velocity objects.
No, it'll be fine.
You think so? Okay.
We already have 9,000 satellites in orbit, so we know what it's like being in space. Um, I
True.
gotta I randomly saw your chat. I gotta head back to Tesla work meetings.
Nice, man. Well, thanks for coming, dude. It's a pleasure as always, dude.
Appreciate
You're
you
welcome.
stopping by.
See you, man. Have fun. Good luck out there, dude.
All right, bye.